Hey guys, have you got some problems with your mic and you don't want to buy a new one, or you don't want to fix it because you become so irritating of fixing it again and again? So guys, there's a better solution. You can use your Android phone as a microphone. So let's get started. So guys, visit this site. I've given the link in the description. So you can visit this site. Scroll down for the apps. So guys, there are three apps you can download. So guys, there is the app for the Android phone, and these two are the for PC client and virtual driver. So download and install it. Okay guys, so let's do it. So guys, after downloading, let's install it. First download the WoMi client for PC. So okay, next. And if you want to open automatically when when it open the PC, so let's click and next, and ignore this step, uh, but it will install the WoMi client. Ignore all these. You can see installation has been successfully finished. And now install the driver for your PC. Virtual drivers, it's already selected. Update it, yes. So you can see successful update. So guys, now install the WoMic app in the Android phone. I've already installed it. Let's open it. So guys, after opening, select the setting option. Now the transfer type, and now USB. Now run it and the server is started. So guys, after starting the PC, open the WoMic app and make sure you select the auto reconnect, and now connect, and you select the USB. And guys, make sure you do all these steps. Now let's check it, is it working or not. Hello, hello. You can see it's working. So guys, let's see how to connect using the Wi-Fi option. So guys, I have no Bluetooth adapter option, so I cannot show you how to connect using the Bluetooth option. So I will show only two steps. But if you want to know how to connect using the Bluetooth option, so you can let me know in the comment box section. I will make the video on it. So let's do the Wi-Fi option. So guys, now it shows IP address. Let's see how to use it. And guys, now open the WoMic app and make sure you do all the previous settings. Now connect using the Wi-Fi option. So guys, for Wi-Fi option, you will have to put the IP address which is shown in the WoMic app. So put it in here and you will be connected in the WoMic PC. So guys, after putting the IP address, connected, and now you can see it has been connected. Let's see it is working or not. Hello. Mic testing. So guys, that's for all today. If you want to get the WoMic Pro app, so you can check out the link in the description, so you will get the WoMic Pro app. If you want more interesting videos like this, so you can subscribe our channel, and you can tell me any problems related to PC and Android, so I will make the video on it. And guys, if you enjoy this video, hit the like button and share with your friends, and please subscribe. Okay guys, bye.